Hello, this is me and Red. Say hey, Red. Hold on, let's turn it. Okay. Red, what you doing? What you doing? Okay, let's see. What do we have in here for you to eat? Give me kisses. Give me kisses. You're not gonna get. Oh, wait. Okay, they're nibbling on my ear. Yes, that does to me. Yes, you know, careless. It's on my hand. Yes, you know he did that to me. Yes. This is Red Broadcasting. You need your haircut. You do that, and Daddy's not been maintaining him. No, so we're gonna go get Red some carrots. You want some carrots? We're gonna go see if there's some carrots first for them. Yes. Yes. I'm gonna see if there's some carrots first. Where's the bitch horse at? Where's the bitch horse? Hey, I'm not that bitch horse. Is there any candy we get home?
Huh? Some candy?
He's so silly. He's looking for candy. You want some love, don't you? What's your name, baby? Look. Look. Goodness. Red.
Man, I just sent some damn candy.
Alright, we're looking for red for candy. And what do we have here? We have... Hold on, Red. We have... Look at them. Rose.
There's some guy.
Okay, let's see here. Okay, hold the camera so it's gonna be red. Please, sir. Okay, ready? Yeah? Yeah? Hold on. I'm trying. I know you paper and off. I know. You're probably with withdrawals, huh? One rather? Okay, no, you cannot start getting excited already. Kisses? Kisses? He loves me. What do you think?
I think you might be right.
Red, you cannot just get in my face like that. They scare me. And your breath stink. Okay, you got one more Rolo. One more. Sit. Sit. You're right, huh? Okay, kisses. I'm brave doing this. Kisses.
Bite your fucking lip off.
No, you won't. Actually, here on my top. Hey, okay, no more Rolos. No more. No more. No, you're not gonna nudge me until you get your one, sir. Can I roll the window up? You're so sweet to me, probably.